Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Buzz. Today we are going to learn how to multiply any number in less than 1 minute. Yes, I can challenge you. You can solve any number and you can multiply in less than 1 minute. Okay, let's start. Let's see how to do it. So here on the screen I have written the same number that was present on the thumbnail. That is 56 into 15. Now how you will solve by with this new method? Now listen very carefully. Now what you will do, choose any number like 56 or 15. I am choosing 15. Now in place of 15 what you will do, you will multiply 56 by its nearest multiple of 10. Now what is multiple of 10? Multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and so on. So I am showing you here in two ways. I am multiplying 56 by 20, or you can do it by multiplying it by 56 by 10. Now multiplying any number with multiple of 10 is very easy. Why? Because you need to multiply by the number only. You don't need to multiply by the 0. Now what I mean to say, you will multiply 56 into 2. So what is 56 into 2? It is 112, and after that you have to just put the 0. So 56 multiplied by 20 is 1120. Now see, what was our question? It was 56 multiplied by 15, but we have multiplied 56 into 20. So we have increased 5 numbers. So we will multiply 56 by 5 also. 56 multiplied by 5. Now what is the answer? It is 280. Now why I have multiplied by 5? Because it was 56 multiplied by 15. We have done 56 multiplied by 20. So we have multiplied 5 more times. So now what we will do? We will minus this 56 multiplied by 20 and 56 multiplied by 15. So here what I am doing, 1120 minus 280. Now if you are expert in doing these tricks, you will solve this question in less than 1 minute. Now here I am telling you one more trick. Now you are subtracting 280 from 1120. Now it's little bit difficult, but don't worry. Now it's 280. Now it is what you can do. You can convert this 280 into a multiple of 100. Now what is nearest multiple of 100? So it's 300. Now if you do like this, 1120 minus 300. Now it's very easy to subtract 300 from 1120. Now tell me what is the answer? It's 820. Now see, you have increased 20 number. You were supposed to subtract only 280, but you subtract 300. Now you can add 20 into this 820. So the answer is 840. So in every case, try to convert numbers either into a multiple of 10 or into a multiple of 100. Now let me show you the other way of solving the same question. Now here I am multiplying 56 by 10. Now what I am doing, 56 multiplied by 10 is what? 560. It's very easy now. But here we have multiplied 56 by 10. Here we decrease the number by 5. Now what we will do? We will multiply 56 by 5. Now what is the answer? It's 280. Now what you will do? You will add these two numbers. So 560 plus 280. Now it's very easy. Now apply the same trick. 560 plus 9 plus 300. Convert this 280 into a multiple of 100. Now here what you have done? You have added 20 more numbers in this. So what you will do? You will just subtract 20 from it. So the answer is 840. Now see, you got this result. Now if you practice a lot, you will be able to solve any number. Now I am showing you more examples. Now if you have to multiply 33 by 17, now what you will do? See, 17. Now target this 17, convert this 17 into a multiple of 10. Now what is the nearest multiple of 10? So it is 20. 33 multiplied by 20. It's very easy now. Now see, it was 17. So we increase 3 numbers. So what we will do? We will do like this. 33 multiplied by 3 is 99. Now what you will do? We were supposed to multiply 33 by 17, but we have multiplied 33 by 20. So we will reduce these two numbers, 660 minus 99. Now apply the same trick. It's 99. It's little bit difficult. So what you will do, you will subtract 660 minus 100. It's very easy, because it's very easy to, it is 560, but we were supposed to subtract 99, so we have subtracted one more number. So what we will do, we will add this one number to this 560. So answer is what? 561. Now I have written one more number. It's 104 multiplied by 33. Now what you will do in that case? Now target any number. So here I am targeting 104. So what I will do? I have converted this 104 to 100. So it's very easy. It is 3300. Now what you will do? 4, we have to multiply 33 by 4. So 4 multiplied by 33. What is the answer? So 33 multiplied by 4 is 132. Now add these two numbers. It's very easy. 3300 plus 132. So what it is? It's very easy. It is 3432, isn't it? So how was the trick? So I am leaving some questions for you. Multiply it with the same trick that I told you in this video. And remember, the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. So for learning mathematics, you have to practice a lot. Practice every time. Practice. Write numbers by your own and fill as many rough papers as you can. And last but not the least, don't forget to like our video and press the like button, and also subscribe our TechBuzz YouTube channel. Thank you. हमारा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और साथ ही साथ बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करें।